Everybody, so just gonna do a quick tool haul. I went back to Walmart, picked up some more towing harnesses, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so this is going to be a tool haul. I'm not going to I'll unbox a couple and show, but I picked up another vehicle side connector. Looks like this. What I don't like is, for some reason, these rounded connectors come with a dust boot, but for some reason the regular, just non-fancy flat ones without the pull ring, they don't come with the dust boot for some reason. It's kind of odd. I don't understand why, you know, this one came with a dust boot, but for some reason this one and this one, they both have a dust boot inside, but the regular flat ones don't, even though that they have notches on them right here for the dust boot strap. I don't know why, but I ended up getting a couple more. Whatever I don't use, I'll just use on the other vehicles. I have a couple vehicles that need to be rewired. A couple customers need new wiring, so I didn't just pick these up specifically for me. These will be for customers' vehicle. I picked this one up for me. I'm not sure if I'm going to install this one or if I'm going to install the let's see, I have another one of these right here. Not sure if I'm going to install this one or if I'm going to install this flat style one. I haven't decided yet. Upcoming video, I will be doing basically a diag video on my own vehicle. I'm going to verify the problem. I originally thought that it was the trailers that I rented, but come to find out, you know, 4 trailers and the same problem. Figure it had to have been my truck. So we're going to use a light bar to diagnose and show that there is a problem, and then we're going to go into more detail on that diag, and we're going to use the Power Probe's E3000 sniffer, as well as the Power Probe, and we're going to use a power and ground outlet to also verify the problem. And I appreciate you guys sticking around. Hopefully you guys will want to watch or check out that video. This one I picked up, it's the trailer side. It's got a power indicator, which is kind of nice. This is going to go on my new trailer. So please stick around, check out the next video, which will be the diag video. I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.